Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find trending videos on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Now tap the compass icon at the top. Select Trending option. As you can see, all the videos which are trending in India are showing here. To watch videos which are trending in other countries, we have to change the location settings on the YouTube app. To do that, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. Tap on Location. Now choose your preferred location from the pop-up menu. For the demo purpose, I will choose Japan. Now go back to the trending page. As you can see, videos which are trending in Japan are showing in our feed now. This is how you can find trending videos on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.